Hello everyone, my name is Akanksha Tamta. I am currently pursuing MS in Data Science from Marquette University and I'll be graduating in May of 2023. So this data is the HR employee attrition data and it is sourced from kaggle.com. The data contains demographic details, work-related matrix, and attrition flag. So attrition, if you don't know, is the departure of employees from an organization, and it could be because of any reason, including resignation, termination, death, or retirement. So from an organization's perspective, they want to spend less money on maintaining existing staff, and they also want to reduce the cost of staff retention. So basically what they want to do is they want to identify different factors that drive attrition among the exiting employees, and they want to make a model out of it to predict if an employee will attrite or not. So here you can see the codebook for HR dataset which I've designed. It has variable name, variable description, value labels, and variable type. The first one is employee number, which is a unique employee identifier. In any organization, it's usually the employee ID, which can be populated with alphanumeric and numeric values, and it belongs to the nominal variable type. Then we have attrition. Attrition is basically a unique identifier flag value which is populated with a yes or no that tells us whether the employee is still with the organization or has left the organization. It is a nominal variable type. Then we have age, which is the age of the employee. In our data set, the range is between 18 to 60. So this is an integer and it can be counted, so this is categorized as discrete variable type. Then we have business travel, which is the travel commitments of the employee for that particular job role. We have three values here: travel rarely, travel frequently, non-travel, which are nominal in nature. Then we have daily rate. So daily rate is based on the hourly rate of the employee multiplied by the number of hours that the employee spends daily, and it is a continuous variable type. Then we have department, which is the employee's department, and it is nominal in nature. It has three values: human resources, research and development, and sales. Then we have distance from home, which is the distance from work to the employee's home. It is measured in kilometers, and it can be in decimal, so that's why it's continuous. Then we have the education, which represents the education level of the employees, and we have five values for it, which is below college, college, bachelor, master, or doctor. Since it has an implicit ranking, it is considered an ordinal variable type. Then we have education field, which is the field of that employee, and it has six values: human resource, life sciences, marketing, medical, technical degree, and other. So that makes it a nominal variable type. Then we have environment satisfaction, which is the employee satisfaction level with the job environment, and it is based on an implicit ranking on a scale of 1 to 4, 1 being low, 2 being medium, 3 being high, and 4 being very high. So that makes it an ordinal variable type. Next we have gender, which is the employee's gender. Here we have two values for it: female and male, which is again nominal in nature. Then we have hourly rate, which is a continuous variable type. So next up we have job involvement, job level, job satisfaction, and performance rating, which are based on implicit ranking on a scale that makes them ordinal variable types. We have job roles and we have marital status, which are both nominal. We have monthly income and monthly rate, which are continuous in nature. Then we have percentage salary hike, which is the percentage increase in employee salary last year, which is in percentage, and that makes it a continuous variable type. Then we have relationship satisfaction and work-life balance from an employee's perspective, and both are based on implicit ranking on scale, so that makes them ordinal variable types. Standard hours, again continuous. Then we have stock options level, total working hours, and training times last year. So these three are range-based values which can be counted and are in the form of integers, so that makes them discrete. And at last we have four variables which are year based, which is years at company, years in current role, years since last promotion, and years with current manager. All are integers that can be counted, so that makes them discrete variable type. So the data points that we discussed in the previous slides make up for the project objectives from an organization's point of view. The first one is to identify the different factors that drive employee attrition from an organization, and the second one is to make a model to predict if an employee will attire or not, so that the organizations can make business decisions based on these analyses.